I'm going to help you navigate your Gene Keys chart. I'm going to share my screen and walk you through how to read your chart. I want to get you acquainted with what each part of your chart means. So let's get started. The very first step is to create your free profile. When you first land on the Gene Keys website, you're going to want to navigate to the free profile tab up here. Click free profile and you'll be brought to a form where you're going to fill out your birth information. Once you submit that, you'll be presented with this beautiful chart here. And there's a lot of information on it. So I'm going to help you simplify it. There are actually 3 different journeys all in one right now in this profile view. There's the green sequence, which is the activation sequence. It's about discovering your zone of genius, and it is interconnected with your human design incarnation cross. The red sequence is called the Venus, and it is about love and relationships. The blue sequence is called the Pearl. So if you navigate down here, you can actually just view the one sequence on its own, which really simplifies things. And you can even further change the settings over here to see the information that you want to see and to eliminate what you don't want to see. We're going to leave the gift and the shadow on. I do want the line and the pathway labels to be there. And we can take away the alchemical symbols. So now we have everything that we're going to want to look at on our Pearl chart. Let's break it down into the different areas. So the first are these circles. In the Gene Keys, we call them spheres. The sphere is the classroom. It's the area where you're learning about yourself. Within each of these spheres, there's a gene key. So the number before the decimal point is the gene key. And the gene key is your teacher. It's how you're going to learn about yourself in this particular classroom. For example, in the sphere of brand, I'm going to be learning from gene key 7, which moves from the shadow of division to the gift of guidance. The number 1 that you can see here is called the profile line. And there are 6 profile lines, which you can think of as archetypes. It's how you're going to express this gene key. So we have the sphere, the gene key, and the line. The blue lines that connect each of the spheres are called pathways. And you can think of the pathways as initiations. This is where you're going to be getting insights and having realizations that move you toward your desired outcome. Below this video, you'll find a PDF that recaps everything that we just talked about. I'll see you in the next video.